Hey there, knife enthusiasts. If you're just getting into the world of pocket knives, it can be overwhelming to choose the right one. But don't worry, today, we've rounded up the 10 best pocket knives for beginners available on Amazon. These knives are practical, easy to use, and perfect for first-timers. So, whether you're looking for your first EDC knife or a thoughtful gift, let's dive right in. Kicking off our list is the Flissa Folding Pocket Knife with Clip, an excellent choice for beginners. This knife features a sharp stainless steel blade, perfect for tackling everyday tasks like opening boxes or cutting rope. Its ergonomic handle ensures a comfortable grip, while the sturdy pocket clip makes it easy to carry wherever you go. The smooth folding mechanism is user-friendly, making it great for first-time knife users. Affordable and practical, the Flissa pocket knife combines functionality with style. The Victorinox Swiss Army Classic SD is a versatile pocket knife that's perfect for beginners. With 7 functions, including a blade, scissors, nail file, and tweezers, it's more than just a knife, it's an everyday companion. Its compact size fits effortlessly on a keychain, so it's always within reach. The stainless steel tools are durable and designed to last, while the iconic red handle adds a touch of nostalgia. It's practical, affordable, and backed by decades of trust. The CRKT Squid Folding Knife is a compact, no-nonsense option designed for ease of use. Its draw-point blade is perfect for utility tasks, from opening boxes to cutting rope. The frame lock ensures safety, while the stone-wash finish gives it a rugged, modern look. Small enough to fit in your pocket but tough enough for everyday use, this knife is perfect for those just starting their EDC journey. It's sleek, simple, and doesn't break the bank. Next up is the Kershaw Clash, a beginner-friendly folding knife with serious power. Its 3.1-inch stainless steel blade is sharp, corrosion-resistant, and perfect for a variety of tasks. The speed-safe assisted opening makes it easy for anyone to use, while the textured handle provides a secure grip. This knife strikes the perfect balance between size and functionality, making it a favorite for newcomers. Durable, practical, and affordable, what more could you ask for? The Gerber Paraframe Mini Knife is a lightweight, minimalist knife that's ideal for beginners. Its stainless steel frame and blade are both durable and stylish, while the open frame design makes it incredibly lightweight. The blade is easy to sharpen, and the frame lock ensures secure operation. It also features a pocket clip for convenient carry. If you're looking for a simple yet reliable pocket knife, this one checks all the boxes. For those who want something a bit more advanced but still beginner-friendly, the Spyderco Tenacious Lightweight Knife is a fantastic choice. Its ergonomic handle and textured grip make it comfortable and safe to use. The 3.39-inch stainless steel blade is razor-sharp and built to last. Spyderco's signature round hole allows for easy, one-handed opening, a feature many beginners will appreciate. It's durable, versatile, and well worth the investment. Next, we have the Buck 110 Folding Hunter Knife, a true classic. This knife features a 3.75-inch stainless steel blade and a timeless wood-grain handle. It's sturdy, reliable, and perfect for outdoor adventures or everyday use. The lockback mechanism ensures safety during use, and it comes with a leather sheath for easy carrying. With decades of proven performance, the Buck 110 is a solid choice for beginners who appreciate tradition. The Benchmade Mini Griptilian is a premium pocket knife that's perfect for beginners who want quality and style. Its 2.91-inch stainless steel blade is sharp and versatile, while the textured handle offers a comfortable grip. The Axis lock system is both secure and easy to operate, even for first-time users. Though slightly more expensive, its durability and performance make it worth every penny. If you want a knife that will last for years, this is it. The Smith & Wesson Extreme Ops Folding Knife is a beginner-friendly tool with a tactical edge. Its high-carbon stainless steel blade is sharp, durable, and designed for reliability in various situations. The textured aluminum handle provides a secure grip, ensuring safety and ease of use. It also features a pocket clip and thumb knobs for convenient one-handed opening. Rugged and versatile, this knife is perfect for EDC and outdoor adventures, making it a favorite among new users. Last but not least is the Civivi Folding Pocket Knife, Praxis Flipper Liner Lock Knife, a high-quality option for those stepping into the knife world. This knife features a 3.75-inch stainless steel blade with a sleek satin finish, perfect for precision tasks. The G10 handle offers excellent grip and a lightweight feel, making it comfortable for extended use. Its flipper mechanism ensures smooth and reliable one-handed opening, while the liner lock keeps it securely in place during use. Stylish, durable, and beginner-friendly, the Civivi Praxis is a standout choice for any new knife enthusiast. And there you have it, 10 incredible pocket knives for beginners available right now on Amazon USA. Whether you need an EDC knife or a tool for outdoor adventures, these options have you covered. Don't forget to check the description for links to each product. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments which knife caught your eye. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.